Hello students, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to attain our online live classes. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you how to join our online live class from your desktop or laptop. Okay, so if you are not an Android user, an iPhone user, in that case we don't have an iPhone app, so you need to attain our classes from your desktop or laptop. So how to do that, right? So let me tell you. First, open up any browser in your desktop or laptop. It can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. But remember, whatever browser you're using, it must be up to date. And in the taskbar, go to the taskbar and type in web.classplusapp.com. And remember, once you type in and for letter time, save this as a bookmark so that in future times you are going to use it. In my case, I have already added to my bookmark. See, you can add it as a and rename it as Shomu's Biology online coaching. Okay, and click done so that in future times you simply find it from the bookmark tab. Okay, so now this dashboard will open up. And in this dashboard, there are two things that you need to put. First is the organization code. Second one is the mobile number. Now the organization code is already provided to you, and that is RKNAK, all in capital letters. And in the mobile number, you should put your personal mobile number, the number that you have provided us for the registration. This is very, very crucial. Do not put any other mobile number than the one that you have already provided us in order to join you to the batch. So that mobile number acts as your identity in this class. And if you lost that mobile number in somehow, if you do not have access to the mobile number, you cannot attain the class anyhow. And we cannot help you in that matter. If any case that happens, we need to re-add you to the batch with a different ID, and that's going to cost you extra. Okay, so keep this in your mind. It's only 6-month period of time. You need to hold on to one mobile number. And in my case, I'm just typing our admin number 9804654228. And first of all, once you put RKNAK, click verify. Okay, first click verify, and once this tick comes in, then click continue. Okay, remember that. And once you click continue, now an OTP will come in your registered mobile number. Okay, so let me check the mobile, and here is the OTP in my case, and I put the OTP and I click verify. Remember, you need to put the OTP within 20 seconds, otherwise this attempt will be cancelled and you need to attempt for the second time. Okay, so here you can see the moment you log in, you are going to see the number of classes and batches you are added to. In your case, you will see only one batch because you are added to only one batch. But in our case, there are multiple batches. But in your case, remember, you will be only added to one batch, that is CSIRNet Online Coaching June 2021, right? But this is the test batch that we have with 1 or 2 members of our organization to provide you an idea. So I'll click that way. So let's say whatever, so you have only this one batch and you click on that batch that you are logging in. Okay, so click on that batch, that is CSIRNet Online Coaching June 2021, and go inside, and you are going to see the number of batch and batch timings in here. Okay, but what else you are going to see is that the live class. You can see the moment you log in, you are going to see the live class and the upcoming live class on that same day. Today is Tuesday, and normally we'll have classes on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So near about 6:40-45, that's the time when we are going to open up the class. So near the 6:40-6:45 p.m. on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, you are going to see the upcoming class in this side, as well as the upcoming class and batch in this Tuesday and Wednesday section. So here you can see right now we are running this demo class, and one class is running. If you joined later, if you joined after the class has already started, then you can clearly see the class has started at 10:36 a.m. and now it will continue to till 11:36 a.m. So you can click on this login join now option. Okay, just click this join now and you are going to be connected to the class. Okay, so sorry, I need to turn my microphone off. Okay, so here you can see that you are already joined into the class, right? So now you can only see the screen that I am being sharing. Let me share a PowerPoint, because this is what we are going to share a lot. So this is the screen that you are going to see, PowerPoint, and you are also going to see me in a PIP video object to the right hand side, means this side. Normally for the question answer classes we are not going to, so if I change any slide you are going to see that in your screen as well. If I explain, if I write anything or any stuff, if I write, if I take a color from here, you can see that. If I write anything, you can see that. Okay, so these things you can clearly do, you can clearly see, everything is visible. Now remember, in your right hand side there will be a chat option like that. Okay, so in this chat bar you can type in your query. For example, okay, so you can type in, I have a question, and then you can type the question. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. In the right hand side you have the chat bar where you can ask questions, and remember, if the question is to the point, that means to the topic that we've discussed, then we are going to attend that at the end of the lecture and explain. Okay, so this is it, and you can see the number of attendees to the class. Right now only one attendee is joined to the class, you can see 1. If 20 attendees join to the class, you will see 20. If 100 attendees join to the class, then you will see 100. So these things you can always see, clearly see. Okay, so this is the idea about how to join live class using your desktop or laptop. It's glitch free, it's without any problem. Okay, and one more thing is that if you want to leave the class early, you can also do that by simply clicking the leave class option in here. Okay, so if you click the leave class option, it will also prompt, are you sure you want to leave the class? You say stay and learn if you mistakenly click it, and if you want to leave the class, click leave the class, and you will be get out of the class. And once you get out of the class, you can still join again to the class. So it doesn't matter, as long as the class is ongoing, you can still join the class. And here you can see the network status, the network health. Okay, and you can see the complete white means it's all full network, and the lower the amount of white here in this triangle, the what I can say, the weak internet connection you have, and in that case you may encounter audio video issues and other issues. Okay, so have a nice 6 months journey with the online coaching with Shoms Balaji. Thank you.